How's it going, YouTube? My name is Christian with Plan Your Federal Retirement. Back with another video with our All About FERS series. Today, I'm going to be talking about a hidden tax that we might experience in our retirement. Of course, we're going to be paying taxes in our retirement, whether that's our taxes on our pension, taxes that we might be paying on our Social Security, capital gains taxes, all these other taxes, taxes for taking money out of our TSP, traditional TSP. There's also another tax to be aware of, and that would be the Medicare IRMA tax. The Medicare IRMA tax says that the more money that you make, the higher your modified adjusted gross income, the more that you might be paying for your Medicare Part B premiums. For 2024, the Medicare Part B premiums are $174.70. That's the entry-level premiums you would be paying for Medicare Part B. And they go up from there. So the next level above that Medicare bracket would be $244.60. So that's a almost $70 a month increase for Medicare Part B premiums per person. So what would your modified adjusted gross income have to be in that next Medicare bracket? Well, for 2024, your income would have to be $103,000 if you're single, or $206,000 if you're married filing joint. And that in 2024, they're going to be looking back 2 years. So they're going to be looking at what your 2022 income was to determine if you're above that 103 or 206 if you're married filing joint. You're going to look back 2 years to determine what your 2024 Medicare premiums will be. So other things to be thinking about is what increases our modified adjusted gross income. Well, that would be our pension income. That would be our Social Security income. That would be dividend income, interest income, taking money out of our TSP, right? Maybe we have rental properties producing rental income. Maybe we've got another business or part-time income. Another one to be thinking about could be Roth conversions. We talk about Roth conversions a lot here. So that all affects what your modified adjusted gross income is and increases it. So am I saying that we shouldn't do Roth conversions or we shouldn't work in retirement? No, I'm not saying that at all. But it's something to be aware of, that the more money that we make in retirement, the more of that Medicare Part B premiums that we might pay. And they increase at different levels, even above the number I just shared, all the way up to that highest level for that Medicare IRMA tax. So one of the things I'd be thinking about for you guys is know what your tax situation is today, know what your tax situation will be in the future, and just know how IRMA works, that it's going to look back 2 years, and that income that you had is going to be reflecting what you pay for your Medicare Part B premiums. There are exceptions that can be made. We can appeal what our Medicare IRMA premiums would be, or that Medicare IRMA tax would be. We can submit that IRMA appeal form if there's a valid reason for doing so. And most commonly, that would be for retiring, work stoppage. So let's say we were working up until 65, and we go to retire and we sign up for Medicare Part B. Well, at that point, they're going to be looking back 2 years to say, what was your income when you were 63 to determine what you'll be paying once you sign up for Medicare when you retire at 65. And 2 years ago, you were working. At 65, you're not working. So it's possible that we could be accepted with that IRMA appeal to say, my income was higher back in the day when I was working. Now that I'm retired, my income is going to be a little bit lower. So something to be thinking about, making sure you're talking with someone who understands the IRMA tax here is going to be important as well. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have more questions related to IRMA or just your FERS benefits in general. You can leave that question below in the comment section. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and you leave a like. That always helps. And until next time, happy planning.